Low wave for time to go buy no Prada, the better shoes. Put my pedal to the floor. Yeah, make it roar. Pull up.
What's up, everybody? So this is part 2 of that crazy part 1. A quick and easy trick to do your eyebrows, to touch them up a bit, get them together. All you need is a Q-tip and Nair. Just a little bit. Like, you don't have to put that much on there, okay? Close the eye you're working on. Be careful. Don't be like, oh, like that. No. Line it up where you need it to be. And whatever part that you messed up on, you take the clean side and just swipe it off. Like so. And whatever is excess, you put it, just pat it back. So after I wipe my face clean, I actually put cold water on my eyebrows to kind of soothe my skin. And now I'm going to go in again with my coconut oil and apply it on my eyebrows. So I don't get that much. It's just, you know, a little bit of coconut oil. And I get my eyebrows like that, and I leave it on. I already have coconut oil on my face, but since my face already absorbed most of it, what I do is put it up under my eyes and kind of massage it in now. Like, I got extra, put it down my neck, on my ears, but now I just massage my face. But that's how I get my eyebrows. Because I have short eyebrows, but they're Nike signs. But it'll come up right here, it'll come down, and then it will come down right here. Don't know why. I always had them. And they used to be so thick. And they used to be like, kind of like, not trying to throw shade or nothing, but kind of like Glamazante's. But I started arching my eyebrows real young. I wish I didn't. Now that I'm looking at Glamazante's, and hers is bomb, so I'll snatch these eyebrows, honey. Yes.
You would just focus on